Prometheum. Prometheum is atomic number 61. It's part of the lanthanide series. Prometheum is a synthetically created element. The history of promethium isn't big, but it's kinda interesting. Originally, in 1902, Bohuslav Brenner, a Czech chemist, hypothesized that because of the relative atomic weight of elements, there should be an element between neodymium and samarium. That ended up being correct. A couple of years later, in the University of Florence, Italy, another scientist had actually discovered this element and was planning to name it fluorium. However, it was isolated correctly, and as a result, it could not be proven. Roughly 30 years later, at the University of California, Berkeley, using a 30-inch cyclotron, they ended up synthesizing promethium. However, did not have the evidence to prove it as well. Finally, in 1945, a team in Tennessee of scientists used an ion exchange chromatography and nuclear fission of uranium to discover promethium, and having definitive proof of it, managed to add it to the periodic table. This discovery was extremely hard as promethium is highly radioactive, releasing beta rays. As such, they had to take many precautions when handling it. Currently, promethium is not found on Earth, only in distant galaxies. As a result, it's not easy to study. Due to promethium's limited supply and resources, there aren't that many applications to it. Currently, only one application for promethium stands out, and it's atomic batteries, for space travel that agencies like NASA and SpaceX could use. Promethium also has another use: missiles. As a radioactive decay, it actually produces electrical power for the missiles. In the future, there is a possibility that it could eventually lead us to having portable X-rays. Now for some questions. From what country was the scientist that discovered that there should be another element because of the relative atomic mass discrepancy? Check. Where is promethium found? Space. What chromatography method was used to discover promethium? Ion chromatography.